Raul, you had this one. Raul is changing the keys. And now I give this one to somebody. When I say 2, you press whatever you want. Sole, so you are changing blending. Chroma key, vertical bar is from white to black. And in the middle, you can change the colors. Wherever you like it is good. 1, that is Raul. 2, Ernesto, Germain. 3, and 4 is Sole. And when I do like this, 5, it's all together. Elegy Opus 24 from Gabriel Faure by Shu-Wei Tseng, cello, and Jakub Polaczyk, piano.